Welcome. Today I will show you a bit different type of closure. You can open and close it with a key, and this closure is typically not meant to get digged in or something, so this is to put it outside somewhere, to also then the key to close it that no one can get inside or something. So yeah, you can open it. Also here I already have prepared one side, and the other side I will do together with you in this video. So this closure is a bit smaller and compacter. Here we have a rubber sealing. Here we insert the cable. Here we fix the cable. Here we can fix the buffer tube 3 times, so everything would be fixed inside and nothing can get out. So here's the second cable. You can take out the rubber sealing here. And also for this I would recommend something like a sharp needle or something to just make a tiny hole inside the sealing, and then put your cable. Oh, it's here. And also here under this clamp I will use some electrical tape for extra protection. Now we can insert the cable. Then first we can close this clamp here. Now the cable gets a strong hold from the clamps. Now we'll mark where my electrical tape gets, and cutting off the buffer tube here. And also here it's just extra protection to don't break the fibers, and the buffer tube has a strong hold. Cutting off the buffer tube. Cleaning the fibers. Closing our last zip tie. Also in this closure you can remove the splicing cassette by screwing out this screw in the middle, then you can take out the whole cassette. And here you have space for a maximum of 4 cassettes, and in every cassette we can put up to 10 splices. So overall 40 splices in this cassette. So now we can start splicing. First of all, don't forget your heat shrink. Strip the fiber. Clean it and cut it. Okay. Put your heat shrink into the heater to protect the splice. Splicing is done. So we're done with splicing, so we can put back our fibers into the cassette. First of all, I will put our heat shrinks into the heat shrink organizer. And now I will start to put the fiber. Also here you don't have much space here for your fibers, so you need to really watch out that everything is inside before closing the cassette. Otherwise you will damage your fibers, but just need to watch out that everything is inside. And then we can close the cassette, and yeah, then you just need to close the closure. And we're done.